The cameraman wants me to peel an orange in one go. Let's try. Sucker! Hello, welcome to Deb's Messy Kitchen. Today we are going to make orange salad. It's very refreshing. It can be eaten as a snack in the afternoon or evening. It's my mom's specialty. She used to make it. And as Bengalis, Assamese thing, we like to make bharta, which basically means mixture or mash. So today we are going to use oranges, coriander, green chilli, lime juice, salt, mustard oil to make this salad. It is very easy to make, it's very refreshing, and it's quite popular. I made it for a few friends and they love it. They asked me for the recipe, so I'm just going to do it for everyone today. So we'll start with peeling the oranges.
Do you like peeling oranges?
Yeah, I enjoy it. It's my favorite pastime. Ideally, you should take these strings off, or else they make it a bit bitter. This salad works well if the oranges are sweet. Shall we do a taste check to see if the oranges are sweet or not? They aren't sweet, but they aren't too bad. We can make this work. Well, the last one. One simple orange salad. So let's start with cutting the oranges in half. So you can either cut them in half like that, or you can use your hands, but it could be a little messy like that, but juice is good. My father, he used to make flowers out of them. I can't do it, but basically it used to be like that. I'm going to chop the green chilli now. We're gonna thinly chop the coriander. You can use the stem as well for aroma. So to make a nice mix and get the smell right, we will add a little bit of mustard oil and salt. We are going to mix everything now, and that's the final step. Yum yum. A lot of people might find the mustard oil a bit strong, like the smell of the oil, but it's amazing. I mean, I love it. It's a very summery salad. I feel like putting it in my mouth right now. I'm gonna do it. Oh, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And that's our orange salad done.